Hello, very good morning friends. Today we discuss about the most important points of the Porifera phylum. Okay, so Porifera phylum, you know that this is a cellular level of organization organism. Okay, Porifera is the multicellular organism of the metazoa. Okay, and so you know that many poriferous special feature is a body is a perforated, means many pores are present on the body surface of the porifera. Okay, so today we discuss most important points we discuss we ask in the which is asked in the exam. Okay, so first here Poriferon possess skeletal of the calcareous. Skeletal of the calcareous. Calcareous may be siliceous, spicules or spongin fibers. Okay, so these means skeletal is made up of the calcareous. They may be calcareous, siliceous or spongin fiber also. Okay, evolution of the porifera. Evolution of the porifera is belong from the which organism which is known as the wall box. Okay, feeding. Sponges is feeding occur in which type of cell is the most important, which is the conocyte cells, which is your conocyte cell of free living larva. Free living larva of the porifera phylum is called the Parenchyma is a free living larva of the porifera phylum. Okay, conocytes or collar cells. Conocytes or collar cells only present in the sponge. Conocytes or collar cells only present in the sponge phylum. Respiration, nutrition or reproduction, okay, through the water canal system. Okay, and Demospongia. Demospongia is a freshwater sponge. Demospongia is a freshwater sponge and marine. Whenever asked, write the mostly sponges are the marine nature, but Demospongia is a freshwater sponge. Some sponges belong to the freshwater, so Demospongia is also freshwater sponge. Venus flower basket. Venus flower basket is also known as the Euplectella. Euplectella is also called the Venus flower basket. Okay, water current produced in leucosolia through the conocytes. Okay, conocytes are the cells which help in the nutrition. Okay, so they also present in leucosolia and produce water current. Spongilla is a freshwater porifera. Spongilla is a freshwater porifera found in a river. Okay, and next is here the larva of the Cleona. Larva of the Cleona is a very important boring sponge. It is also known as the boring sponge or sulfur sponge because it harmful for the pearl industries. Because it is harmful for the pearl industries. Common name of the Euspongia is the bath spongia. Is very important. Many times asked this question, which spongia is known as the bath sponge. So Euspongia is also known as the bath sponge. Okay, Amphiblastula or Sterogastrula larva. Amphiblastula or Sterogastrula larva is present in a cycon, is a type of porifera. So Amphiblastula, Sterogastrula larva are present in the cycon. And archaeocytes are the cells which have a capability to form whole organism of the body. Whole organism. Okay, archaeocytes are the cells which have capability to form new offspring from one cell. Okay, path of the water sponge. Okay, water enter into the sponge through the ostia. Ostia are the pores which is present on the body surface, and then go into the gastral ostia, and then it enter into the spongocoel. Spongocoel is the cavity of the sponges, and then from then out come from the osculum. Okay, Thesocyte serve as a food reserve. Thesocyte cells as a food reserve. Nutrition, porifera phylum. Nutrition is a intracellular, and canal system developed from the folding. Canal system is developed from the folding of the inner walls. And Hylonema. Hylonema is a sponge which is also known as the glass rope of sponge. Okay, spongocele in Leucosonalia. Ascon. Which types of spongocele occur in a Leucosonalia? So in Leucosolania, ascon type of spongocele occur. Spongocele is a cavity. Spongocele is a large cavity which is present in the porifera. So large cavity of the porifera is called the spongocele. Okay, which is spongocele of the Leucosolania is called the ascon. Okay, spicules of silica means Hylonema. Hylonema is a porifera organism. In this organism, spicules is made up of the silica. In some organisms, these spicules are made of the calcareous. Okay, in some organisms, this spicules is made of the siliceous. So in many different organisms, different chemical substance to form the spicules. Okay, so these are the important points of the phylum Porifera. Okay, thank you.